In this video, I have used a knife cutter which is too sharp and may lead to severe injuries. So please use it carefully and don't leave it open. Hey everyone, I am Ashish and today I am going to show you how to draw character of Kung Fu Panda and do paper cutting art. If you are watching my videos first time, don't forget to tap the subscribe button and press the bell icon so to get notified when I post something new and be a part of this creative family. We start with taking a sheet and drawing the sketch. I am drawing the sketch roughly. Now, as always, let's take this line, start drawing a line parallel to this line, just like this. Now, I am using a knife cutter to cut the parts because it has sharp tip, it is comfortable to hold and because of its pencil-like structure. You can use paper cutter also as per your convenience, but I suggest a knife cutter because knife cutter makes it easy to cut the curves and edges and due to its sharpness, it works smoothly.